Exercise 4.5. Adjoint of a matrix. The adjoint of a square matrix A of order m by n is defined as the transpose of matrix of Aij. This matrix is formed by cofactor of Aij. The matrix which is obtained from the cofactor, then transpose of that matrix is called adjoint of a matrix. For example, Aij, adjoint of this. These are the cofactor of corresponding Aij, A11, A12. Transpose of this, changing row into column, this is called adjoint of A. Any matrix, a square matrix, said to be singular if determinants of A is equal to 0. If determinants of A not equal to 0, then it is a non-singular. If a matrix A be any square matrix, then A into adjoint of A equal to adjoint of A into A, then determinants of A into identity. A is a square matrix of order n, then this is the condition. Adjoint of A is equal to determinants of A power n minus 1. A square matrix is invertible. Invertible means its inverse exists only when A is non-singular. A is non-singular means determinants of A not equal to 0. Definition of inverse. A into A inverse is equal to A inverse into A, that is equal to identity. When we find A inverse, dividing adjoint A by determinants of A. Third question of this. We first find adjoint of A. First we can value determinants of A. We find minus 12 plus 12, 0. Cofactor A11. Cofactor in last video we this rows, this column minus 6. A12, here A12, here minus first because sum of these is odd. Leaving out this row, this column minus 4 plus 4. A21, sum odd minus first. Cofactor of this, leaving out this row and this column, that is equal to 3. A22, leaving out this row, this column and this row, it become 2. Adjoint of A, minus 6, 4, 3, 2. Transpose of this with the matrix obtained by cofactor. Minus 6, 4, 3 and 2. We have to prove now adjoint of A into A into adjoint of A, determinants of A into identity. We take this side, adjoint of A, minus 6, 3, 4, 2. A, 2, 3, minus 4, 6. We multiply this, minus 12, minus 12 plus 12, minus 18 plus 18, 8, minus 6 multiply 2, minus 12, 3, minus minus plus 12, minus 6, minus 3, minus plus 3, minus 18, plus 18, 4 to the 8, minus 8, 2 3 the 6, 4 3 the 12, 2 6 the 12, it becomes 0 0 0 0. It can be written as 0 into 1 0 0 1, 0 into identity. Similarly, second part. Fourth question, mode of A. 1. This rows, this expand this by 0 minus 0. Here we minus plus 1. This column, this row. 9 plus 2 plus 2, 0 0. To find adjoint of this matrix, firstly find out cofactor of A11 minus 1 की power 1 plus 1, leaving out this row and this column. 0 minus 2 0 3, minus 1 की power 2 positive, 0 minus 0 it becomes 0. A12 cofactor of this, 3 minus 2 1 3, 3 minus 2 1 3, minus 1 की power 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 3, minus 1 की power 3, minus here 3 3 the 9 plus 2 minus 11. Cofactor of cofactor A13, leaving out this row, this column and this row, 3 0 1 0, it become positive 0. A21, leaving out this row and this column, minus 1 2 0 3, minus 1 2 0 3, minus 1 की power 3 negative, minus 3 minus 0, minus minus plus. Similarly, we can find out cofactor of all. Now down the cofactor of A11, minus 11 0 3 1 minus 1 2 8 3, and transpose of this. Now this is the adjoint of A. We have to find adjoint of A into A matrix, A into adjoint of A matrix, then make determinants of A into identity. Firstly, adjoint of A multiply matrix A, we multiply this and get this. Similarly, this side A matrix multiply adjoint of A, then determinants of A into identity matrix. Adjoint of A into A, this adjoint of A into A, we multiply this, we get this. 9 plus 2 11, 0 0 0 11 0 0 0 11, taking out 11 common, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. 11 is determinants of A and this is the identity. This part is proved. Similarly, we can prove this part. To find A inverse, A is equal to this. Firstly, find the modulus of A, get determinants of A, 2 3s are 6 plus 8 14. Now find the cofactor of these 2, cofactor 3, cofactor of this minus 4, cofactor of this minus plus 2, cofactor of 3 is 2. We get cofactor of this. Adjoint of A, write this cofactor, 3 minus 4 2, 2 transpose of this cofactor is adjoint of cofactor. A inverse 1 by adjoint of A divided by determinants of A. Determinants of A 14, this is adjoint of A. Now when determinants of A is not equal to 0, A inverse exists. A is said to be non-singular only when A is equal to 0, singular, A is equal to 0, A matrix is singular, hence inverse does not exist. Similarly, 3 by 3 order, we find determinants of A first. A is non-singular, hence A inverse exists. Firstly, find the cofactor of all these. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. We get these cofactors. Now transpose of these cofactor. Write these cofactor minus 1, minus 4, 1, this, and transpose this called adjoint of A. Now A inverse. 1 by determinants of A into adjoint of A. 1 by determinants of A, we get minus 3. And adjoint of A minus 1, 5, 3, minus 4, 23, 12, 1, minus 11, minus 6. These are the inverse of A in a twin pattern.